Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on a 2023 Nissan Rogue using the Wix WA11431 filter. This is one of the easiest maintenance jobs you can do yourself, and it only takes a few minutes. Replacing your engine air filter regularly helps your engine breathe better, improves airflow, and can help maintain fuel efficiency. Let's get started. First, open the hood and locate the air filter box. On the Nissan Rogue, it's right here near the front of the engine bay. You'll see these metal clips holding the airbox closed. Simply unclip them by hand. Now gently lift the top cover. You don't need any tools for this job. Take out the old air filter carefully so dirt doesn't fall into the intake box. And wow, you can really see the difference between the old filter and the new one. Now install the new Wix WA11431 filter. Make sure it sits properly inside the airbox and matches the same orientation as the old filter. Once everything is lined up correctly, close the cover and snap the clips back into place. And that's it done in just a couple of minutes. This is a super easy DIY maintenance job that can save you money and help keep your Nissan Rogue running smoothly.